Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file an income tax updated return. First, understand that an updated return provides a chance to correct mistakes or omissions from your original tax filing. You have a window of 24 months from the end of the relevant assessment year to submit this. This is a valuable opportunity, even if you missed filing an original return. Remember, any additional tax and interest must be paid in full before you proceed with filing your updated return. Before you begin, gathering all necessary documents is crucial for a smooth process. You will need your original tax return, if one was filed, along with all supporting financial records. Make sure your permanent account number, or PAN, is easily accessible. Collect all income statements, bank statements, and proofs of investments. Also, have on hand any documentation for deductions or exemptions you intend to claim, ensuring accuracy. Now, let's walk through the online filing process. Start by visiting the official income tax e-filing portal. Log in with your existing credentials, or if you are a new user, complete the registration process. Once logged in, navigate to the section for filing an updated return, often referred to as Form 26 as. Take your time to meticulously fill in all the necessary details, making sure to correct any errors or omissions from your initial filing. The final steps involve payment and submission. First, accurately calculate any additional tax you owe, along with any applicable interest. You will use Challen 280 to make this payment. Before clicking Submit, carefully review all the information you have entered one last time to ensure everything is correct. Once satisfied, submit your updated return and remember to save the acknowledgement for your personal records. This completes the process.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.